Hi, my name is Tiffany Souterre. I'm a developer advocate specialist in AI/ML at AWS. Today, we're going to talk about CodeWhisperer and how it can help you with security breach. CodeWhisperer is not just an AI pair programming tool that can help you with your code and suggesting you blocks of codes. It can actually also scan your entire code and look for vulnerabilities. Let's see how it works. Okay, so now we are in my VS Code and we can see my project. This is the file I want to scan. We see that I have two functions, a log credentials and a authenticate unsubscribe. Let's go to the AWS toolkit, click on the CodeWhisperer, and you will see the option for run a security scan. So let's click on that. The scan will take a little bit of time, and you will see at the bottom of the screen that the scan is actually in progress. Bear in mind that CodeWhisperer is actually scanning through all of your project. And here, 5 files have been scanned and 2 issues were found. Let's see what it is. We can see that the vulnerabilities have been highlighted with a yellow wave, and you can directly click in the Problems tab in each vulnerabilities to directly go to it. If you move your mouse over the vulnerability, you will see the description of what CodeWhisperer has scanned. Here we can see that we have AWS credentials that are logged. This could be a vulnerability, so let's change that. We will erase the logged information, the secret key and the access key, and we'll create a session. Here we can see that CodeWhisperer is already suggesting a solution to my problem. So it's suggesting me to create a session and put my access key ID in there. So let's do that. And also let's do the same thing for the secret key. This is exactly what I wanted to do, so I'll keep this. Let's check for the second vulnerability. So now when we put our mouse over it, we see that it's telling us that we are failing to set the authenticate on unsubscribe flag to true. So let's change that. And already CodeWhisperer is suggesting me to set this flag to true. All right, now that we have addressed all of the vulnerabilities, let's run the security scan a second time just to make sure that our code is safe. This will take a little bit of time again, but this is totally worth the wait to make sure that our code is safe. Here, the security scan has been completed for 5 files and 0 issues were found. The Problems tab is now empty. That means that our code is safe now. Congratulations! You now know how to run security scan on your project with CodeWhisperer. If you're interested in learning more about CodeWhisperer, check the link in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Happy coding!